Alrighty, now what is REST ingestion via notebooks? Think of a pipeline that fetches water directly from a tap whenever required. REST ingestion via notebooks works the same way. It connects to the REST API to pull data from external services into Databricks. Using notebooks, custom logic can handle authentication, pagination, and transformation before loading into Delta tables. This enables flexible integration of semi-structured data from API into governed ingestion pipelines. We'll meet in our next lecture.